Welcome to Tailwind. In today's video, we're going to create a stunning product gallery using Tailwind CSS. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to build a beautiful and responsive gallery like the one you see on the screen. Let's dive in. Let's start by adding some margin to the body to ensure our component doesn't stick to the edges. Next, we'll create a container for our gallery with a white background, padding, rounded corners, and a shadow for depth. We'll set up a grid layout with a single column to start. This will allow us to easily expand to multiple columns later. Adding some gap between the grid items will make the layout more visually appealing. Now let's make the grid responsive by adding a second column for medium-sized screens. For larger screens, we'll expand the grid to 3 columns, ensuring our gallery looks great on all devices. Let's add our first grid item with a centered text. The item has a white background, padding, rounded corners, and a shadow. We'll add a second item to our grid, maintaining the same styling for consistency. Adding a third item completes our initial row for larger screens. Let's add a fourth item to start a new row in our grid layout. Adding a fifth item continues to fill our grid, showcasing the responsive design. Finally, we'll add a sixth item to complete our grid layout. To enhance interactivity, we'll add a hover effect that changes the background color of each item. Let's add placeholder images to each item using the placehold.coapi, making our gallery more visually appealing. To make the item title stand out, we'll apply a bold font style. Finally, we'll add a short description under each item title to provide more context about the products. And there you have it, a stunning product gallery built with Tailwind CSS. We covered how to use grid layouts, responsive design, and styling with Tailwind classes. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more awesome content. See you next time.